Hi dear all students, in fraction lesson practice set 12, today we learn multiplication of two fractions. This practice set we already completed in a meeting Zoom class, but those not present, for them I am making this video, as well as I will teach you word problems of divisions and division problems, more concept. This I will teach little bit faster since it's already over. Word problem already be over, but you have one look I will show on solve place, which already be over in meeting. See, in multiplication student, a very simple method, 7 upon 5 multiply by 1 upon 4. In multiplication, no need to make base same. Whatever denominator, let that as it is. Only you have to multiply numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. Whatever problem as it is, 7 multiply by 1 upside multiplication divided by downside multiplication. And do the calculation. 7 ones are 7. 5 4s are 20. You should know tables. So this is only simple step. See more problems I show here which already solved. 6 upon 7 multiply by 2 upon 5. So 6 2s are 12. 7 5s are 35. Just straightforward multiplication. Simple way. Like addition, subtraction, no need to make base same since it is direct multiply. 5 multiply by 4, 9 multiply by 9. 5 4s are 20, 9 9s are 81. In these first three examples, reduction is not possible since the numbers at numerator and denominator not present in same table. But wherever cutting or reduction is possible, you can do. See student, one example I will show here. 5 upon 6 multiply by 6 upon 5. When number at numerator and denominator are same, number at numerator and denominator, if same, we can cut them. Or if you not cut, then also ahead. 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30. 30 upon 30, division answer will be 1. So same number up and down, answer will remain 1. 9 7 multiply by 7 into 8. 7 7 same. One number should be up, one number should be down for cut student. Remember. So 7 7 get cancelled and only remain 9 ones are 9, 8 ones are 8. 9 upon 8 as the answer. Here 9 9 is at denominator, same number. You cannot cut because they are at denominator place. When you want to cut, that should be one number up, one number down, one number denominator, one number numerator. Then only you can cancel. Now see one more example of reduction I will show you student. That is example number 8 in the book. 6 upon 17 multiply by 3 upon 2. Here you can reduce first also student. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. This way. And then you can do 3 multiply by 3 upon 17 multiply by 1. So 3 3s are 9 and 17 1s are 17. This will be your answer. Even though if you write 6 multiply by 3 upon 17 multiply by 2, that is also correct. 6 3s are 18 and 17 2s are 34. So this also is your correct answer, which you feel easy in exam, you can do. If you want to reduce, you can reduce. If you don't want to reduce, don't reduce. Word problems already I explained in meeting, but you give one more time look here. So banana planted 2 upon 7, 21 acres. So 2 multiply by 7, 2 upon 7 multiply by 21. After calculation, your answer is 6 acres. And the second one question answer 1 upon third part of 5,40,000 soldiers. So this division answer we done division. I shown here purposely division. is here 1,80,000. This question I will send you as a attachment for your writing if you're not able to understand how to write, but this is already explained in meeting. So hope so you understand here all. Now today one more practice set we'll see students here. Division we learn today and reciprocal. First question of practice set 13 is here. Write the reciprocal of the following number. Reciprocal means just we have to write down reverse at the place of numerator, denominator writing at the place of denominator, numerator writing. So see here, write the reciprocal of the number, and next question is carry out the division. So I will show few divisions how to do, and one word problem is there. So give attention student, I will explain few, remaining rest you do as a homework. See here, set 13, last set of the question, last set of lesson fraction. First question, reciprocal of the number. So first number is 7, it's only numerator present, nothing is down, so you take 1 and you have to write down reciprocal of the number. So just reverse it, 1 upon 7. This is your answer. Just half mark purpose, it may come in exam. Suppose 11 upon 3, your reciprocal is, right, the word reciprocal is reverse, उलट लिहायचं, reverse 3 upon 11. Understand? So I hope you understand. Very easy step. Please complete rest 3 problem as a homework, which are here. Those don't have textbook, just see your problems 5 upon 13, 2 and 6 upon 7. So this you complete as homework problem. Now carry out the following divisions. Question number 2. We'll see how to solve student. Please mention your attention properly here. Question number 2. I will write first question. 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4. See student, what is the method? Be careful. First fraction, write down as it is. First fraction, write down as it is. Now second fraction. Second fraction, instead of divide, give multiplication sign. We cannot directly divide student, like multiplication we can't divide directly. So this method we have to follow. It's already mentioned in your textbook also. And reciprocal of second fraction. First fraction as it is, instead of divide write multiply. Reciprocal ह्याचं शेवटच्याचं उलटं करायचं. Reciprocal 4 upon 1. And now you do straightforward multiplication fraction. 2 multiplied by 4 upon 3 multiplied by 1. Your answer will be 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3. Reduction is not possible. This is only your final answer. I hope you understand dear all. One more I will take and rest 2 you will complete as a homework. See student, this is given question. So what I told, first fraction as it is, instead of divide multiply, make reverse of this 2 upon 3 and do the calculation. 5 2s are 10, 9 3s are 27. So no reduction possible here also. This is only your final answer. I hope you understand student this in a proper way. Now complete remaining problem as your homework. Given data for last word problem of lesson. See, I will read problem first. See student, there were 420 students participating in a Swachh Bharat campaign. They cleaned 42 upon 75th पार्ट ऑफ द टाउन. स्वच्छ भारत कॅम्पेनमध्ये 420 विद्यार्थ्यांनी भाग घेतला आणि त्यांनी पूर्ण जी जागा साफ करायची होती तिथं 42/75% इन अ फ्रॅक्शन गिवन तेवढं टाउन त्यांनी साफ केलं ऑफ सेवाग्राम. सेवाग्राम नावाचं गाव. व्हॉट पार्ट ऑफ सेवाग्राम डिड ईच स्टुडंट क्लीन इफ द वर्क वॉज इक्वली शेअर्ड बाय ऑल. 420 मुलांनी सेम काम केलं तर प्रत्येक मुलाने किती पार्ट साफ केला. सो व्हेरी सिम्पल वे आय विल शो यू हाऊ टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लेम. As you are given data, we'll write first total student 420 students, then clean part 42/75 by each student. Each student question mark. So 42/75 part is cleaned by whole town by all student. So total student are 420. Nothing is down, so we take 1. एका मुलाचं निघेल ह्या डिव्हिजननी. 42/75 as it is, as now it's division problem. Divide become multiply and this become reverse. See, ह्याला फक्त उलटा केला आपण reciprocal like as I shown. So here you can use reduction method. 42 and 420 same number. 42 ones are 42, 42 ones are 42, 42 zeros are 40, or 42 tens are 420. Now do the fraction part. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 75 multiplied by 10. So what is our answer? 1 multiplied by 1, 1. And 75 tens are 750. So this much part is cleaned by each student. So in this fraction lesson, dear all, we learn addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, how to make base same, multiplication of fraction, division of fraction. Please student, if you not understand, listen videos twice till you not solve by your own way. Concept will not be cleared, so try to solve by your own way and pay attention. Subscribe channel to get new updates, so you will get notification of my upload videos. You can see them as early as possible before I send on app maybe, or all videos are available. If you subscribe, anytime you can see any video for your detail. Then student, important announcement I want to do here. Please join to meeting. As you on app you got already school timetable. Call to your classmates and say them to join our period lectures in which I can see you and you can see to me on screen of mobile, and you may visualize that we are actually seated in the class in school life, like how we are in front of each other. That feeling is there in meeting, which is not in video. Due to video only I'm talking, but meetings you can ask me your queries. You can ask again if you not understand. So it's my humble request, number of students in meeting should be increased. So call your classmates. It's in today's video I appeal to you. And from Monday we have our class unit test of the year. 40 marks maths paper will be there, so you have to prepare for that exam very nicely. Online way only you have to solve. You get link of paper of each subject according to timetable which we send already. You have to select correct option. But for maths, it's my request to all of you, solve on the page or in maths notebook only, solve your paper and solve, and then tick to the particular answer. Don't guess answer. Please solve and then click the proper option. You try on page. Maybe I will ask to you to show that notebook to me on homework page. Okay, so please do the needful and remain in touch with school messages. Read always properly them. Till the next lesson, we have for exam 1 to 4 lesson. Today our lesson is finished. Next video will start with our lesson number 5. Till that time, complete your homework. Today is this all multiplication and division part who's not completed. Okay, who is absent for meeting, for them please complete on time. Thank you student. Take care. Bye bye.